Alright, what's up you guys? This is E-Class, also known as Erica. Okay, I'm going to show you guys how to quickly repair the earring, a hoop earring, like this. I mean, don't you hate when you just go to a beauty supply store and buy some earrings and you bring them home and they break? See, now that's broken off. So I'm going to show you how to put this back on by using another earring. Mine, I completely lost it, so I'm just going to use another one. And all you're going to need is some jewelry glue and some wire cutters and some needle nose pliers, or some bit nose. I think the bit nose would be better. These are not even needle nose. These are, I don't know what these are. I think these are, I don't know. I use these to bend it. But anywho, let's get started. We're gonna go all the way down to the stem. I just got a stud earring, and I'm going to clip it off until I have this. And you can use a paper towel if you want to you know, so you won't get a mess. But I'm kind of doing this video real quick, so I'm going to dab a little glue on here, just a little bit on the end. I don't know if you can see it. It's kind of, wait, where am I? Right here. And this dries fast, so you gotta get it in there kind of quickly. So I'm gonna put this in a little hole. And I'm gonna use my I have the bent nose pliers, it probably work best, but I'm gonna use these. Ooh. And I'm gonna finish pushing it in there. And then there you have it. And this glue dries quickly, but the more you let it dry, the more it the better the hold. So I would suggest you do this overnight. And there you have it. A quick little fixer-upper. It's a little shorter than the other one, and it doesn't stick out, but it's a quick fix to repair your hoop earrings that are like this, the open hoop. Until next time, friends. Bye.